What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is 26-year-old learns why you sign your traffic tickets. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
All right, Miss Renee, so your license has been suspended since April, first of all.
What?
So you have like a can you turn the car off for me, actually? You have like a financial responsibility. I don't know if you got a prior ticket, you got something that you didn't pay.
It's my insurance, and I paid that, and I paid to have my license.
Go ahead.
There's no way this is done.
I got it.
Why is he trying to open the trunk? What's going on?
So the tag, there's a cease tag order on your car.
Cease tag?
Cease tag, so the tag has to come off.
Wait, what's going on? You're not telling me why.
I'm explaining to you.
You're not telling me why.
You're not letting me tell you why.
Okay, then tell me
So
why.
I just told you your license has been suspended, first of all.
And you can't tell me why.
A financial obligation, whatever you didn't
That
pay.
doesn't make any sense.
Okay, well I'm telling you, that's what
I
it
just
is.
renewed my...
Yeah, but they don't have everything. It's not like the computer system tells them every little thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know deep down why your stuff is suspended. Stop acting like you don't know.
Just renewed this...
What's going on here? You all guys are always together. They need to worry about this?
I was coming over here to ask you. Actually, I just seized the tag.
I mean, I don't want to be in the way of romance, you know what I mean?
Oh, easy now.
All right, listen.
Yeah.
So the license has been expired.
Listen, if you know, you know. Listen, law enforcement, they always mess with each other, okay? So you know my boy and Shorty over here that's actually taking care of the lady right here. They might have something going on. Who knows?
Since April. I don't know what it's for, financial obligation, whatever the case is. Okay. And there's also a cease tag order. So which means we have to take the tag off the vehicle. Okay? So with that, sure, I could arrest you. I don't really want to go that route, but understand that you can't drive this vehicle. So they're going to hang out with you for a second. We're going to figure some stuff out, but it is suspended. Okay? I'm not lying. There's no reason for me to lie. It's suspended, and there's a cease tag order. So the tag has to come off. Okay? I know you don't know what it's for, but I don't know what it's for either. Financial obligation.
Insurance? Does she have insurance?
She said she thinks it's for insurance, but she already paid for it and whatever, but...
You have to update it with DMV.
Alright. So...
Wait, hold on. If I was the guy officer, I would always be pulling up to her calls too. Hold on now. He look, ooh. Be like, oh, you need backup? I'm coming, baby. You need backup? I'm there.
She said she thinks it's for insurance, but she already paid for it and whatever, but...
You have to update it with DMV.
Ooh, she look good.
So, it's probably insurance, like you're saying. It doesn't tell me what it is. So if you haven't updated it with them, that's why. With the DMV, they still got to suspend it. Which, not only is suspended, but it's got a cease tag order, so the tag's got to come off. Okay? Okay. Okay, next time. She's having cars.
It's going to be then. The what?
She's having cars. So you have no idea what it's for besides that?
You see how upset I am right now?
I get you. People get upset even if they know what it's for.
Do you want to see if there's any priors?
She's not yours. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For the cars, you're going to have to take the car.
Huh?
You're going to have to take the car.
I know. She knows.
Okay.
Let me do her citation.
Boy,
You want to see
arrest
if she has
me.
someone she can call?
No, I don't mean to interrupt, but it would be best if you start arranging. Don't need to be rude. I'm trying to help you out. And the car.
You're taking my car?
Yes, ma'am. The car has to come with us. I'm trying to talk to you about you should arrange for someone to come get you. I don't want you to be stranded on the side of the road. The car has to come because you cannot be here. So something happened. We're trying to look it up, but I would like for you to get on the phone and arrange for transportation, someone to can come pick you up.
She on the phone? Well, I need you to sign something, so I need you to roll it down a little bit more. The citation.
Bro, she doing all this BS, man, trying to crack the window, not roll it down all the way. First of all, you gonna get out the car, okay? The car is getting towed, so get your act together, man. You walking away with a citation, take care of whatever you gotta take care of, get it out of the pound. That's it. But you're gonna turn this into something that, you know, nobody don't really want to have to deal with, man. But cut the attitude out, for real, for real. It ain't the cop's fault that you got your shit all jacked up, man.
So if you can roll the window down, I need you to sign it. Huh?
What's going on?
She doesn't want to sign it, but
That's a charge.
try to be nice. Making it
You
really
know,
hard.
no, you are. You're not. Let me know when it's time to come out.
What will I sign? If you don't want to sign, next time. All right. Let's finish. I need you to roll down the window.
I need a moment, please, just to
And
gather
step
myself.
out.
Okay, go ahead and open the door. Go
Why?
ahead and open the door.
Why? No,
I'm not
I don't
asking
have
you.
to open the-
I'm not
actually don't
asking
have to open the
you.
door.
Actually do.
Why? Am I being arrested?
I need you to open
I
the
being
door.
arrested?
So didn't I explain to you that this was a criminal charge,
Am I
right?
being arrested?
I need you to open the door.
Am I being arrested? Ma'am, are you kidding me? Are you
Step out.
kidding me right
Go
now?
ahead and step out. I've asked you. I've asked you.
You, I don't have to do it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's happening right now. I can't
Stop.
believe it's happening.
It wasn't about you.
Shut- Don't touch me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Good job.
She's so small.
This happened yesterday, and the female came out of cuffs multiple times.
Yeah. She's super little.
Yeah, I'm a good friend. I'm a huge friend. That's why you gotta come here.
Nope. You're not.
That's why.
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
CVS Missouri Bay.
Because I'm a friend.
Just the best you can, and I'll say just put the seatbelt on.
Here's it's not because you're a threat. It's because I asked you to sign it. I asked you multiple times. I wasn't gonna arrest you, but
And now you're feeling the hurt because I didn't sign the damn
no, because it's a charge.
I asked for a second just to have a goddamn moment
Okay.
to gather myself. I asked for a moment. I asked for a moment.
Okay.
I got one custody.
Well, you gonna get a moment, all right.
I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to you.
Let me get this.
Besides follow direction.
Okay.
All right, calm down, ma'am.
What are you?
I didn't do anything to you besides follow instructions, okay? That exactly. Come on.
Kidding me? You're arresting me.
Charlie
for no
555
reason.
Charlie.
You tell me to calm down.
Okay. Come on. All right. I was
Alpha
really
608 welfare check.
You know, I'm gonna have to try to look it up which one it was, because I've never personally done one, but I know people have.
for what?
For the refusal to sign.
For the criminal citation?
Yeah, I have to look it up because I haven't done one.
I mean, I could arrest her anyways.
Yeah.
But you get me arrested.
Let me, Reese, I'm gonna try to help you if you want to, because I need to know myself. I forgot how it works. I mean, I sort of kind of saw what happened, so you better obviously articulating it. I don't know if she just said no or what she said or what she. It's pretty straightforward. I want to make sure that there's nothing in there and before the Joe gets here.
I swear to God, and the system don't give a shit about any of us. We're all women. And we all suffer at the hands of this system that you slave for.
I most definitely told you that I was not trying to arrest you.
Yes, okay.
You were very much uncooperative.
Yeah. 4'10" woman asking for just a few minutes to gather herself after being pulled over Inexplicably, literally, because you still haven't told me why my license is suspended.
I've
why my
explained it
plate
to you.
is on a
I've explained it
and
to
you
you.
just say all this stuff like I'm just supposed to. Okay, yeah, great, thanks. That's not enough for me.
I mean, I'm not sure what it is you want. I explained to you why it's suspended.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. It's for
You said it
financial
is.
obligation. I can't see what financial obligation it is that you didn't
I don't
fulfill.
have one.
You
And I
do.
can't
That's
wait.
why the license has
I
been
can't
suspended.
wait until I find that out.
So whatever it is, I don't know what it is. It's probably something with insurance. Whatever the case is.
It's not even legal for you to just search my car.
All it's yes.
It's not legal.
So no judgment suspension. It was suspended
It
on
is
4/5. Are you listening? 4/5/24. Non-judgment suspension. Florida authorities only seize Florida tag if the driver is the owner.
What does that mean?
It's for financial obligation. So whatever it is that you didn't pay, or
That
whatever the
nobody
case
told
is.
me I owed.
I mean,
Nobody told me I owed anything. And now I'm in the back of a police car. Like, and you couldn't give me a second to calm down?
I've given you
To sign
multiple
your
seconds.
pretty little paper? You couldn't give me a second? I'm literally... Okay, whatever. There's no point in reasoning here. It's just no point.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.